Yeah, I'm ready.
We are here. We are hanging out in the park, brother, with my brother Izzy. Izzy. He's right now. Check out this truck, folks.
She likes a good whiskey.
All right.
Rob likes a good whiskey is what I drink for.
That's all I need is some tasty ways, cool buzz, and a bottle of Hogswipe. Check it out, folks.
Yes, yes.
I just want to show some before.
Right.
Look at this shit.
Nice. Nice.
How much is a bottle, Captain?
Cleans, polishes, and protects without water.
Okay.
How much is a bottle?
We'll give you a good price. Come on over. Custom paint, chrome, glass, fiberglass, plastic.
That's fantastic.
Makes it fun. So you hate your glass.
Great for the environment.
Great for the environment. You got it. We should. We hope so. Are you kidding? Well, look at that. Throw away your Windex, bro. Windex is a thing of the past. No streaks. The direct sun. You want to know why? Because there's no alcohol in it. There's no silicone in it. There's no wax in it. All right, come here, Carl.
Oh, yeah.
Now remember, for all you guys out there, I gotta explain this to. Check the pipe first before you start cleaning.
It's not really hot.
Make
right?
sure,
Yeah.
okay? You'd be surprised. Hit it!
How much a bottle goes for?
MSRP is for $24.99. We're letting it go for $20 at the show.
I'll be there.
We're right behind you, brother.
I'm right there. Okay. Now I gotta go.
Check it out.
That's right, having some fun out here today. Cruising in the park, Tom.
We are cruising in the park.
Hogswipe here.
Hogswipe.
Check it out, folks. Bring it back to life. You take pride in your ride. Check out our high, baby. Ah! We're gonna hit it.
Okay.
Wet to wet.
So how to?
Here we go.
Nice.
Check it out, Izzy.
Lovely, brother. Lovely.
Check it out, brother.
Yo, look at that.
Check it out, Izzy. Oh, you guys, check it out.
Catch me out.
Right here.
That's the catch.
That's right.
Hogswiper Izzy, baby.
Hogswipe Izzy.
I've been all over Laconia and everything, and this is a great product. I sponsor it.
Pick it up, folks.
No, you can't. I love that. I love that.
That's what we love to hear.